Hello Giddy buddies, how are you guys? So I guess this is fifth video. So let me show you area outside Ludhiana now. Only couple of things. I won't go very far. And if you go outside Ludhiana, this is Jalandhar bypass chowk. Okay, and if you are coming from inside Ludhiana and you go outside, now this will be the road here, and after crossing Jalandhar bypass, you can see left hand side there is a service lane. On left hand side there is petrol pump, Indian oil petrol pump, and if you keep on going straight, after driving on this service lane, you can merge on the highway, or you can continue and come down to another service lane. There is construction going on right now, and let me show you this plaza, or I don't know if I can say it, mall. It's been like 15 years. It hasn't opened. It was under construction. Maybe some case was pending, maybe something, I don't know, I'm not sure. Now this is the mall, and new stores open here is Hippo Stores. This is a sanitary store, I guess. Let me read it for you. Tiles and flooring, modular kitchen, wooden material, paint and surface care, hardware and kitchen tool, many things, and Domino's. Wow. The name of this plaza is Global Business Park, and Domino's outside of Ludhiana. Wow, that's a pretty good thing. And this is the service lane, and if you are planning to merge on the highway, this is the area you can merge. You can see they have properly constructed the road here. They completely stopped the service lane here. This is Skyover Bridge. From here you can walk, or if you have a bike also, you can merge on the main highway. This is NH1. This highway goes to Amritsar, and I won't be going on the highway. I'll just leave the highway here, use this service lane. Man, this guy has a big load with him. Not a big load, a very long load. And a new Teka opened on the road here. English wine, Royal Stag. You can see quite a lot of people walking over here. There are many factories, and few of the factories have opened their outlets here. Let me show you an example. On my right hand side there is Nagesh Hosiery Exports Limited, and this is Duke. Let me show you a glimpse. This is footwear store and clothing store. This is basically factory outlet, and if you just take a left, just aside near the store, there are more stores straight ahead. Let me show you a glimpse of that also. And these two ladies, maybe they work here. All people work here. It's big factory here. They mostly export their very high quality products. And you can see Duke factory outlet. I'll take a U-turn from here. You can see all the construction over here. Very big settlement of the factory. We can't say it's settlement. Settlement is of people, I guess. So I won't go very far from here, from outside Ludhiana, because just started the channel. The channel is not very big. It's pretty small channel, not earning anything from it. So I make videos as I do my geli time. So I share my geli time with you. And I have again come on the service lane from here. And the area here is Jassian. If you take a left turn from here and go straight, that's Jassian. And if you keep on going and take a right, that is Chudpur. It's a little odd name, but it is what it is. Another theka, very big theka. And again this long load guy, met him again. And as we are just leaving crowd past us, now there is HP petrol pump. I guess there is not any electric charging station here, no. And here to my left is Narayan Public School, and there are some flats, some settlements being constructed over here, and there is Best Price nearby. On the right hand side you can see the board of metro, that is closed. The building is still here, but it is closed. And if I take a left turn from here, yes, left turn, you can see entry for the Flipkart wholesale. It's basically Best Price, and Flipkart owns it. And you already know who owns the Flipkart. I guess they have changed the name also. Earlier there it was Best Price. The name is the same, Best Price Flipkart wholesale. These guys also come here for the gedi, like me, like you guys. I guess they are here for some pics. Yeah, definitely for the pics. You can see the Royal Enfield standing in the middle of the road. So let's take a left turn from here. And we are almost out of busy city of Ludhiana. Not the outskirts of Ludhiana are very far from here, but still, if you come here in the summers also, you'll feel a cool breeze most of the time, because out of the city, out of the pollution, the weather here is little different. Less pollution, less temperature, and more greenery. So I really love the vibe here. Good place for cycling. I know cycling on the highway not safe, but it is what it is here. And on the left side, a closed Mitsubishi Motors showroom, and Hyundai showroom is still working here, still open. And I guess Ola service center is also available here. They have maybe rented some place to service their scooties. I have seen a van standing outside, parked outside the Mitsubishi Motors. And this is Malhotra Regency. Let me show you little glimpse. This is Malhotra Regency. It is basically a palace, or you can say it's a resort for functions, marriages, and all of that. And I have taken a right turn from here, and straight ahead of us, this is very cool place. If you like museum, there is a war museum over here, Maharaja Ranjit Singh Memorial, I guess. Let me show you. I don't remember the name properly. Yeah, Maharaja Ranjit Singh War Museum. So it is paid entry ticket, adult 40 rupees. Timing is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can see tanks inside, aircrafts inside. Obviously they are empty, no engines. I haven't gone inside in my lifetime, and I guess the cameras are also not allowed. And here, if we keep on going, this is tiger safari. This also has time, I guess. Yes, obviously the gate is closed. It's Ludhiana tiger safari. Oh, see the dog. I didn't saw the dog sitting on the wall. This is Ludhiana Zoo tiger safari. There are many animals over here. The timing of this is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And I guess you can see tigers. And Ludhiana Zoo is closed on 26 January, 15 August, 2nd October, and every Monday it's closed. So if you want to come, don't come on the Monday. So the video is already past 12 minutes. Saw the dog on the left hand side. These guys already here for the pics. So it's all for this video now. So I'll finish the video. I hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and support the channel by giving a good comment. You enjoyed, what you think, how I do this motovlog, and share my Gedi with you all guys. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.